Your style is a way to share your personality. If there's anything I can share about how I do things just to help build some style confidence into your own everyday life, then that's what I'm here for. My name's David, I'm the man behind Threadability. I give fashion tips to anyone interested in menswear, focusing on how to make those outfits a little bit more bold. I'm a Colorado native. My parents came here right before I was born. They're from Russia, and so I don't know if it was just because my parents were kind of acclimating to the culture, but we'd spend a lot of time at the mall on the weekends as a family. I think that was kind of my introduction to fashion and details. I kind of got into starting Threadability because I was in a pretty serious creative rut. Was going to work, gym, going home, but there was no sort of break in that routine. I started following those guys on Instagram. I saw a couple what they were doing with flat lays and things like that, and I thought to myself, I could do this. I love the clothes that I wear, what I do, how I present myself, and to be able to share it would be super cool. You know, I started sharing and it kind of gained some momentum. Threadability has lit a fire for me, and it's something that I'm super passionate about now, and I'm trying to chase that. For me, that means getting a lot more active in Threadability, being a lot more intentional with the content that I'm creating and posting and the people that I'm working with and connecting with, and then making sure that, I guess, my little corner of the internet is a community. This community is very real, whether it's digital or we make some of these connections happen in real life. So I want this to be a space that we can grow moving forward. My hope for anybody watching this is that you stick around and follow, connect, like, comment, drop me messages. I'm ready to take it somewhere new, and I just hope that, you know, this community that we built comes along with me.